A European Union and Eurozone member country, Cyprus is ideal to live and invest in. Cyprus. Invest with confidence.
Welcome to the Financial Mirror TV Cyprus Report, sponsored by the Cyprus Investment Promotion Agency. Provident Investments, the Swedish investment firm, has moved its headquarters base to Nicosia, Cyprus, offering an international platform for financial investments in all assets on markets in over 120 countries. Hakan Henriksson, CEO Portfolio Manager, told the Financial Mirror that the main activities of Provident Investments are to offer discretionary asset management and investment advice. For the Swedish clients, we also provide tax advice, insurance, corporate finance and law, Henriksson said. Provident Investments targets company owners, private investors and pension funds. Henriksson said the main reason for moving Provident Investments base from Sweden to Cyprus is to be the first provider of discretionary asset management for Swedish company owners that gives them the tax benefits of the Cypriot and Swedish double tax treaties. Cyprus is to get its first wind park, generating 82 megawatts of electricity, probably one of the biggest in the eastern Mediterranean, which is expected to be completed by the end of 2010. The operation of the wind park is a significant step towards meeting EU objectives for energy production from renewable energy sources that should reach 13% by 2020. The wind park will be built by a Danish company in Orides region in the Bafos district and will consist of 41 wind turbines of 2 megawatts each. The European Investment Bank will contribute to the construction with 65 million euros, in addition to a partnership of other international banking institutions. The energy produced by the wind park will be channeled into the transmission and purchased by the Electricity Authority of Cyprus at a price determined in the plan. CSE-listed investment companies have managed to increase the combined value of their assets by 40 million euros in the second quarter to 399.5 million euros as they benefited from the sharp increase in equity prices, according to an exclusive survey conducted by the Financial Mirror. On an annual basis, however, the combined results continue to show 120 million euros deterioration, given that a year ago in June the investment company's assets totaled 520 million euros, according to Financial Mirror data. The big discount between the net asset value of the investment companies and their traded prices on the Cyprus Stock Exchange continue to prevail for all the major companies, ranging up to 70% for Dimitra, the largest fund, while Side Trustees, the second largest, is hovering at a 45% discount to net asset value. Tax revenue during the first half of 2009 fell by 10.6% year-on-year to 711 million euros from a year ago in the same period, following a plunge in revenue from property sales, according to the Inland Revenue Department. Capital gains tax on property sales slumped by 81% to 37 million euros, owing to the decline in demand in the property market, as property sale contracts announced by the Land Registry departments fell by 58%. On the positive side, income tax from employees and corporation tax increased 18% and 31% respectively. The Nicosia municipality announced that it is not hiking local corporate taxes for 2009. The town council supported Mayor Eleni Mavro's proposal to keep both the corporate municipal tax and the professional enterprise tax unchanged from 2008 rates, in an effort to support the businesses based in the capital. By law, the town council may increase these local professional taxes by up to 14% a year, but Nicosia municipality limited this increase within a range of 5 to 7% last year. The number of building permits authorized in Cyprus slipped again in April, having risen in February and March, according to the latest data from the Statistical Service. The figures show that building permits authorized by the municipal authorities and the district administration offices in April 2009 reached 687, a fall of 5%. The total value of the permits in April fell by 15.5% to 198 million euros, and the total area fell by 21%. The Cyprus tourism sector suffered another steep decline in June, with arrivals at only 260,931, a drop of 15.1%, compared with the 307,237 recorded in June 2008. The main reason was a weak UK market hobbled by rising unemployment, a weak sterling, and unattractive prices in Cyprus. Arrivals from the UK, which is the largest market, accounting for around 50% of all arrivals, fell by 19.5% to 129,032, from 160,373 in June 2008. There was also a sharp fall in the number of visitors from the more promising market of Russia, which has seen an increase in arrivals in recent years. Arrivals from Russia were down 18.8% to 24,000. Tourism revenue in January to May was 390 million euros, or 11.7% lower than in the same period the year before. The number of Cypriot residents travelling abroad also fell again in April to 86,350, a drop of 8.8% compared with the 96,645 recorded in April 2008. The most popular destination was Greece, 25,890, followed by the UK with 24,217. The number of trips to Greece was 12.1% lower than last year, while the number of trips to the UK was actually 13.6% higher. Trips to Greece and the UK accounted for 58% of the total. The Cyprus Union of Shipowners held an extraordinary General Assembly in Athens, where Acting Chairman George Savliris gave a brief review of the activities of the past 2 years, followed by the election of a new board of directors. The CUS Steering Committee is headed by George Muskas, Chairman, together with Polis Vassou Hadjiioannou as Vice Chairman, Andreas Hadjiyannis, Vice Chairman, and Tassos Panayis as Councillor. The other members of the board are Dagis Kliridis, Treasurer, George Ioannidis, Deputy Treasurer, and George Gustas, George Savliris, Antonis Mikelidis, Nikos Hadjiioannou, Myrtos Samiou, Panikos Onufriou, Haralambos Manoli, Lucas Hamatsos, and Marios Pilavagis. Thanks for watching FinancialMirror.tv.
A European Union and Eurozone member country, Cyprus is ideal to live and invest in. Cyprus has a transparent and robust economy, well-educated professionals, attractive taxation and growth potential in several sectors. Cyprus. Invest with confidence.